Thought we were going in a situation where I would need this today, but so far haven't used it. Just been doing mathematics. Remember to hydrate. I always try to keep the jug out of the sun. So I'm out here setting up, getting ready to cut my first jack. I already cut 4 and made 2 jacks. You'll get a chance to see it in a second.
Bring it, man, we check it.
I might have to use this. 5 more. 5 and 5. You took 1 and 1. I'm getting my butt smoked with this angle. Both of them failed. My first 2 attempts failed. This is my 3rd attempt. And I already corrected. So now I gotta go get this angle. The length and this angle. Unbelievable. Yeah, I can't get it. You look like a screw down too. Yeah.
I know. Me fui puti gokitan to grab the screws in the costa.
El árbol que termina de la batería, yo no los 20 de arriba, ahí vaciando.
Es maldito tan loco, el light fight. El light fight,
Yo estaba rebuscando la escalera.
Pero yo con mis hermanos no voy a pelear así, ¿viste? Nosotros los peleamos, no, we are fighting now, we like, we are get back sound. No attack, we like, we lead 2 hours. But we not fight like them, body fight like, what 2x4, whop, the next body, motherfucker, y se fue a la praga. Fuck, bro. Bueno, Neldo no deja trabajar a ese otro. Neldo no like it.
Un buen camping, para mí es deportivo. Muchos drogas. No good maestro.
Down there is good. Yeah. So I'm about to go make my 3rd cut. Hopefully it's not the 4th one that I have to make. Actually had to use it. Guys cleaned up this week. Pulled out a lot of the trash. Got it out of here. Taken to the landfill. Hiking back out, going around. This is our 3rd week, finishing our 3rd week. You can see the electrician came in and did his thing, made it look nice and gorgeous, and cleaning it up and getting it buttoned up. We're getting it done. I'm holding it up with the palm of my hand.
Okay, mark it one for you first, then for it. Yes, yes. Ito lo mata lang ako. Sabi lo. Yes.
You gotta do better. Yeah, I was following the slab and I saw a few minutes ago that it wasn't coming level. One of the blocks was shorter than the other and I bumped into it. So he just caught it and said we're off.
Ahí está, ahí está.
No, este tiene que pegar bajo el nivel. Ya.
Pero este, ¿ves? Baje este. No va a estar en el aire.
Yeah, and they correct my mistake there. That was my mistake. I got it off because I just eyeballed it. Then I saw it was off a few minutes ago. Then the guy with the glasses on, he caught it as well. But before I recorded and went up, I saw it that it was off. So they're learning, they're getting better at it. They can eyeball and see that the things are off. Because even those boards, the blocking, the spacer blocking, I made the mistake, cut them too long.
Ahora te quedó a 22.
You can see the Caribbean Sea from here, the Great Barrier Reef, and the great nation of Belize.
I measure this and I measure that.
Teaching them how to screw on this from that side too, showing them the angle. Takes a little, one or two of them before you learn the technique. Techniques, skill and confidence. Practice as well. Looks like they got live music playing over there. I think it might be one of the beach bar. One of the bar that's sitting above the Caribbean Sea. Making a chin. I just said the stairs are shaking and moving. You see their eyes. They were like ready to cuss me out.